Yeah, hello, they welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match to come, how you see them? Chelsea 2 and West Ham United 1. And we get Oga Shorzy here, make on tell us about how you see the game. Oga Shorzy, you they laugh because when the game they go on, you be the one tight and make Chelsea lose for this game. But Chelsea can't change am for you. Now, how you see the game?
Basically, I'm not dey happy for the result. And if you say we go just draw so that our point will dey safe with us. But not do. Chelsea play, all this kind of thing when they win, you call play from behind,
Come back,
come
win the
draw,
game.
come still win the game. They try, na good performance. Even though say Chelsea they see the struggle, but they still try. That winning form, that mentality, that drive wey they use at the end of the match, those 70-something, 80-something minutes, na good one for Chelsea.
So, but wait till you get to talk about Edward Mendy performance for this game.
Mendy be like, I don't know. That you get one time wey be say Kepa come dey misbehave like the way Mendy dey misbehave now. So I don't know that maybe get where they go take caution there because I dey see that Kepa misbehaving and like Mendy don dey misbehave. That kind of character na they get. You understand? Just like this last goal we say West Ham take equalize just now they disallow. Basically that ball, they're not supposed to rule am off. That ball na goal.
But they foul Mendy now.
That boy, if you say you dey farm Mendy just lie down for there. You understand? If you see the guy in motion, there was no way the guy go fit just stop on his own. Now that in leg where he take one jump, now touch Mendy, and the guy must jump. It not be spirit where he won't pass Mendy now. So normally we have to be a contact. Now the contact now be the thing now. So to me that contact not reach to say na foul now. You understand? I just luck now on Chelsea today. So as they get that winning luck today, may they just continue. Thank God say this one and not complain say the ref dey against them. So now I know, but may they caution Mendy. You understand? That be my own.
So, but with this performance, what you see from Chelsea today, you dey confident say Chelsea go fit push the top teams for the league, like Man City, like Liverpool. You know, so now those teams they battle for the Premier League title season after season for the last couple of years. You believe say Chelsea go fit push them for the title?
Right now, may they leave Chelsea out. You understand? If you talk about people who get the league, put us one, put Man City two. Now we be Arsenal now. 5 match unbeaten. We not draw anyone. You don't understand? Even our guy there will be Man City said they don't draw. You don't understand? So Chelsea not join. You know what I mean? They tell you say Chelsea not join.
Why?
Because if you see Chelsea kind of play in this period, even me back myself, I don't know which they play. They know they drive from wing, they know they drive from midfield. I know you know how Chelsea they carry the ball, they go front. If you check out now, the work rate where Sterling get for Chelsea, it dey more than what he get for Man City. So imagine now say this Sterling where they overload. If the Sterling now can get injury, now how it go come be. So if they talk about people who say they won't compete for the league and they not join. What could they talk about people who say they get first and second in level now? Chelsea will go play Champions League, they will get injury. Chelsea will go play Carabao Cup, they will get injury. FA Cup, they will get injury. Chelsea not get that squad now. They're not sharp. You don't understand? Chelsea not sharp. They not get that squad to compete for the league. Maybe they sit down first. The league not join this season. Maybe they come next. Even though they go sign January, they're not going to collect them. Not fit.
All right, now make I ask you about one Chelsea new signing. Now he never play, but in there for the field today, they show him Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang.
Yes.
Why they ask you now? Say na former Arsenal player.
Yes.
You think say he go fit do well for Chelsea because we don't hear some Chelsea fans they talk already. Say anytime when any former Arsenal player come Chelsea, that player they win European trophy. They can't even the cards from all the days from Ashley Cole come into Fabregas too.
Yes.
What will be the last one? Olivier Giroud.
Yes.
Giroud still win, but now they say as Aubameyang don't come, they won't win one European trophy during Aubameyang time as a Chelsea player. But how you see this signing for Chelsea? You think say he go fit deliver because Chelsea fans they complain also say goals not the team. You believe say as he come when he down they fit start to play, he go bring goals for Chelsea.
Aubameyang na goal machine now our son. You understand? Man will be say he did for 3 years. He does score 70-something goals for Premier League. So what are we saying? Chelsea not get anything at all. So the one where they get, so make them manage them. You understand? Not be even just ordinary manage. This one a goal machine for Chelsea. They not get anything now. So you see Aubameyang, you see they complain. What do you want to do? Now Tuchel now want to enter score goal for you. No. Aubameyang are number one what they need right now. Forget age. You understand? The boy get speed. You understand? He get paced. So Aubameyang go fit deliver for them. But you see that European title that they talk about, na dream of next season, not be this season dream. You dey understand? Only one man not fit do the work. Only one man not fit do the work now. Who be their second striker?
Sterling dey now.
Sterling now. I bet they cover. They not they carry anywhere. We know those are average players. You understand? They are not exceptional players. Those are all those. You know they call exceptional players.
What about Sterling? We know if you talk to Sterling now.
No. Sterling is exceptional player. Now when you call and come, if you not score, go give you assist. Not give you assist, he go give you dive where you go take get penalty now. You don't understand. So Sterling they try, but the rest people now average player. They can have their mouths and the rest. Them me and you know. We all go play today, go score tomorrow. You not go get assist, you not go score. But that European title, so no, make them come out.
But say Aubameyang go score goal, you agree?
Yes, now Aubameyang go score goal now. If Kier not take himself, he go no, he not fit compete with the golden boot to Haaland dey there, go machine. You understand? But he go score goal, go help Chelsea. This season, if he give them 20 for Premier League. But you see that any European title, make them come out their mind and not join.
So, but what about this Chelsea new signing now? The defender we come from Leicester City, Wesley Fofana.
Yeah.
What do you get to talk about him before I will let you go, Ogachozi?
Fofana, the boy they try when he did for Leicester City. You understand? Make I not just dey bias. I believe say the boy could do well, but I don't understand Chelsea this period that they carry defender. Whether they want change their wing or when they come Chelsea, it's possible. I don't really know. So, but if you say we judge with wetin Leicester City they produce give people, we use E.G. Harry Maguire. Make that same cost not follow am. But I believe that boy na young promising boy. You understand? And all those young promising boy, they get who they say they carry the team. They get who they say they carry their name. So I believe they could try well for Chelsea. But I don't understand Chelsea signings where they sign defenders. Maybe they fit convert go midfield, which is possible. So that boy could try.
All right, now Ogachozi, thank you for your time.